Now let us see the relative velocity regarding river boat concept. Means when a boat is moving in a river, when the water is flowing in the river, the resultant velocity and the time required and the minimum distance of approaching the other bank, everything we have to discuss here. Here in these problems there are two types of approaching. One is minimum distance, second one is minimum time. For example, here if you consider this is a river. This is a river. In this river, water is flowing in this direction. So the river water velocity I am showing in this direction. So velocity of river is in this direction. This is downward. This is upward. Water is flowing from upward to downward in this direction. Now with a boat or a person is swimming from this point A. Here to get the minimum distance, means from this bank to other bank, we have to consider the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is the minimum distance or the shortest distance. So here to here, exactly opposite point, this is the perpendicular distance or shortest distance. So here a person is starting by swimming, so he has some velocity. That velocity, let it be Vm. Vm is the velocity of the person. So to reach this point, because of the velocity of the river, he has to move in this direction by making an angle to the perpendicular distance. So this is the direction. So here this is C. Means when the man is trying to reach in the direction, for example, if he is moving in the direction, because of the velocity of the river, he will be pushed toward this. And here again he has to move in the direction, he will be pushed in the direction. In this way he will move in this direction and he can reach the exactly opposite point. Means the person has to try to reach the point C, then he can reach the point B, which gives the minimum distance. So here this is the velocity of the person, this is the velocity of the river. So here if you consider this as theta, this is theta, this is Vm, so this is Vr. So here also you can consider Vr, velocity of the river in this direction. So here the angle, if you want to calculate, you can apply sin theta. So sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. So Vr magnitudes only we are considering. So Vr by Vm, this is the sin theta value. Theta is equal to sin inverse of Vr by Vm, you can write. Now if you want to find out the distance, this let it be d. This distance if you want to calculate. So distance or width of the river, it is nothing but perpendicular distance or minimum distance. So distance is equals to, by applying Pythagoras theorem, you can write this as square root of, this is the hypotenuse, that is why Vm square minus Vr square you can write. Now if you want to calculate the time period t is equals to this distance by time period distance by velocity. So this is the velocity. So d is time period t is equal to d by the resultant velocity is square root of Vm square minus Vr square will give the time when the man is moving in a minimum distance. Now here the second case, in the second case, that is minimum time. While you considering the same case, the person is crossing the river. So this is the velocity of the river. Then here the person started to swim to cross the river to reach other side. But here we have to consider the minimum time. When you can get minimum time, if the person is moving in this direction, this is velocity of the person, and VR is in this direction. Both will combinedly will push the person to that direction, so it can move in this direction. So let it be A, B and C. So here this is Vm, velocity of the person. When he want to move in this direction, because of the river, he will push towards that point. Again he want to move exactly opposite direction, he will push towards like this he will move and he reaches C. Means this is nothing but drift, we can consider as D. Let it be, this is the width of the river. Now here if you consider the angle as theta, now here also if you want to calculate a time period, t is equals to, here this is also distance by velocity you can write, but distance is here w, velocity is this component you have to write, that is Vm cos theta, horizontal component, w by Vm cos theta. For example, if theta is 0 means there is no angle between these two, means the person is moving in particular direction, directly he is moving, then theta is equal to 0, then cos theta means cos 0 is equal to 1. If you substitute the value here, t is equal to w by Vm. So this gives the minimum time of approach here. Now if you consider the tan theta value, tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side d, this is d, by adjacent side this is nothing but width of the river, w. And another one also we can consider here, this is nothing but velocity of the river, bc gives the direct, if you consider the velocities, velocity of the river Vr by this direction, this is nothing but velocity of the person Vm. So if you want to find out to d, means the drift, the distance considered by the person drift, d is equals to Vr by Vm into w. So like that you can find out the drift taken by the person when he consider the minimum time. Okay.